my name is Julie Sutcliffe and I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator in the UK and I'm called the Paper Haven. Now you may have seen my previous video with sneak peeks of the January to April mini catalogue products and celebration products, and I had a few items missing that weren't available or that I'd not ordered. They've now arrived, so I did promise a bonus video. If you haven't checked out that video, you can watch it afterwards. It's probably better to maybe watch it before this one, but I'm sharing products from this catalogue which goes live on the 7th of January, and this brochure which goes live at the same time, but it's only available till the end of Feb. I'm going to move this off my desk. Now this is the first time I've seen these products. It literally is an unboxing because they came a few moments ago, and yeah, so I am just sorting out the products. That's that, so that I can share them with you. Okay, right. Okay. So the things that were missing that I didn't order, or couldn't order, not didn't order, that's wrong, couldn't order before, were these papers that are called Storybook Moments, and they are very Beatrix Potter. They are gorgeous, and they are a speciality paper, so they are £16. Now, I'm thinking of using these for a coffee and card, and I would love to know your thoughts. Now, I don't know if you saw the other checked papers that I shared, the something plaid, forever plaid, is it? These ones, timeless plaid, so, but they're in a sort of mega suite with these, and they all sort of go together. They're all the similar colours. So I was thinking of doing something a little bit different. If you watch my coffee and cards, and not actually including the stamp set that goes with these, but including both packs of those papers, because you'll see why in a moment. So these are gorgeous. Look at these for backgrounds. How fab are those? And you actually get 2 sheets of those. So I'm thinking I could do a paper share as well. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. Scrapbooking. This is going to be so good for scrapbooking. Baby scrapbooks, children's. Oh, and strawberries. I love those. Oh my word. Oh my word, I love those. These are great for people, cards who love gardening. Amazing. Amazing. I love those. And I love that there's basic beige, I think, in the background. They're nice as well. All I can think of is Farmer McGregor. And if you know, you know. I think that's the right name. Oh, these are lovely. I'm just trying to put them on my windowsill, but they're dropping down. Oh, did I look at the back of those? Oh, no. Oh my word. How cute. How cute are those? Honestly. And those, gorgeous. Gorgeous. I think they're my favourites. I really do. I'm going to have to put them over here because they're going to fall off, and I don't want... Now this is what is amazing about these. I'm being very, very careful. And there's 2 sheets that are the same. So I can split these in a paper share. but it would just have to be half the papers each, which is fine. But how amazing is this? The die cuts, you don't need the stamps. So you could use them for some gorgeous cards, for some fabulous scrapbook pages. Just amazing. Anyway, I love those. And I'll tell you what they're called. Did I tell you? I can't remember. Storybook Moments. And they're going to go back in here. Although I do have a folder. Oh, look, this is where you've got to be careful with the die cuts. Look at that. It's like Squirrel Nutkin. I love those. And they weren't the ones that I were desperate to arrive. It's this next ones that I were desperate for them to arrive. These are called Wildflower Birthday. Now, if you remember, I showed you this bundle. And it's the one with the number dies. And this is what I'm using for the next copy and card. And these are my kind of papers. Well, she's saying that and she's not even opened them. Oh, these go with them as well. Party dots. But these are my kind of papers, my kind of colours. So they're a speciality. Look at that. Can you see the gold? Look at the tags. Tags, cards. 2 sheets of that, which you can cut down. I don't know why these are called Wildflower, because they're not very wildflower to me. Nice stripes. I mean, these are flowers, but I wouldn't really say the colours and make them a wildflower. But soft sea foam there. Oh, a nice golden green scallop. Oh, I love that. Love that. These are so up my street. Oh, gingham. Pink gingham. And then finally, this is the gorgeous, gorgeous for scrapbooking as well. And for your card making. But look at these die cuts. Look at these. So this is the coffee and card that I'm going to be doing. And you're going to get a full pack of these and the bundle if you go for that option. You can just go for option A, which is the papers. How fab are those? I'd love to know your thoughts, but I just think they're gorgeous. I mean, you put that on a card and you don't really need much else when there's a greeting. So nice. So nice. Okay, so they're the papers that I was desperate to get my hands on. So they're in the mini catalogue. And then I've got a couple of other bits from the mini, which are these ephemera packs. I need to open them really, don't I? What's great about these is they fit in the clear boxes that we sell. So what you can do is once they're open, because you ain't putting them back in there. I think I've only got the wide ones left, which we don't sell anymore, but we sell the narrow ones, you know, that are like this. But these should fit in here. And these are great because look, you get these greetings that pop out. So if you're not into stamping and you want some simple cards, we've got a little bit of everything there. Oh, these are so handy. Nice fonts. They're going to last you the whole year. You can colour those in, some of them. You've got Thinking of You, Missing You, Baby, Mother's Day, Valentine's, Easter. Sorry for your loss, Merry Christmas, thanks. And then you've got some in reverse as well. So there's 6 sheets. They're fab. They are fab. I'm going to pop them in there. And then they're called, just if you need to know, they're called Greetings for All Mix and Match. I don't think this is going to fit that. And then you've got Birthday Treats Mix and Match Ephemera. And again, in here, there's also, oh, so you can use the cake. There's bits you can colour in. So you've got cakes, cupcakes, balloons that you could colour. Oh, some happy birthdays, celebrates, happy day. And then you get these little, very nice little frames. Oh, cute. They're good. And then we have some, oops. Then we have some cards and envelopes that go with them. Stripes and florals. So there's pale pink and balmy blue and bubble bath. I'm not going to get those ones out for now. Okay, let's tidy this up. And then the other things that I want to share with you that arrived are actually from the online exclusives. So I did get this stamp set. I think it's from the online exclusives because I thought it was quite a handy one. So we've got congrats, yeah, in a circle. Well, sort of a squishy circle. But then you've got a ring, a graduation, you know, mortarboard, and a baby bottle. It's a big day, so it's quite a handy one to have. So that's that one. And this one is an online exclusive. And I got this one because I just thought it was a bit different. Because it's on the corners. Thank you for everything. Wishing you an amazing day. Happy birthday. I just thought it was a little bit different, that, with the corners. Spring corners. There are some dies to match it, but I didn't get them. And then finally, I got a celebration item, which is one for a bigger spend. So, oh, I also got some ribbon. So did I not get another celebration item? Never mind. This, you have to spend 110 for this, but you get the stamp set and the dies. So it's a bit of a heart stamp, heart shaped, and then the dies. Oh, they're cute. They're lovely. They're there. Okay. So that's a freebie with a big spend. And then the final thing that I've not showed you, because it was hidden over here, and this goes with the, it's part of the suite with the animals, those lovely papers. And it's a lovely, is it petal pink? Yeah, it's a petal pink scallop ribbon. Can you see that? Oops. Very nice. There we go. So yeah, there's some new goodies, and I can't wait to get creating with those now. So yeah, if you've not seen my earlier video, then please do check that out. I will put a link. I'll put there should be a little thing goes across the top showing you that video. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.